assessing the growth and performance of crop insurance schemes in India, trends, challenges and opportunities. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study assessed the growth and performance of key crop insurance schemes, including yield-based crop insurance schemes such as the National Agricultural Insurance Scheme (NAIS) and the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana (PMFBY), as well as weather-based crop insurance schemes like the Weather-Based Crop Insurance Scheme (WBCIS) and the Restructured Weather-Based Crop Insurance Scheme (WBCIS). Secondary data was collected for the period from 1999 to 2000 to 2023 to 24, covering statistical indicators such as the number of farmers insured, total area covered, total premium collected, and total claims paid under NAIS, PMFBY, WBCIS, and WBCIS. The analysis of yield-based crop insurance schemes revealed significant growth in farmer participation, insured area, premium collection, and claims disbursement. In contrast, weather-based crop insurance schemes exhibited fluctuating trends in participation and financial performance. Indicators such as insured area and total insured value showed positive growth, but a decline in farmer participation remained a concern. Introduction. Agriculture is the backbone of India's economy, providing food, jobs, and income to a large portion of the population. Over 65% of Indians depend on farming for their livelihood, and more than half of the workforce is engaged in agriculture. However, farming in India is highly dependent on the monsoon rains, making it vulnerable to unpredictable weather. About 52% of farmland relies entirely on rainfall, and even irrigated land faces water-related challenges. Natural disasters like droughts, floods, and storms can destroy crops and push farmers into financial distress. To reduce these risks, crop insurance plays an essential role. It helps protect farmers from income loss due to natural disasters, pests, and unpredictable weather. Instead of bearing the full burden of loss, farmers pay a small premium, and the insurance company compensates them if their crops fail. This system helps farmers stay financially stable and reduces their dependence on emergency government aid. Over time, India has introduced various crop insurance schemes. Starting with small pilot programs in the 1970s, as the government eventually launched larger schemes like the Comprehensive Crop Insurance Scheme and the National Agricultural Insurance Scheme. To improve coverage and efficiency, weather-based insurance was also introduced. In 2016, the government launched the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, PMFBY, and a revised weather-based scheme, which now serve as the main insurance options for farmers. These programs aim to make farming more secure, support rural livelihoods, and build a more resilient agricultural economy in India. Conclusion. Yield-based crop insurance in India has grown significantly, especially through the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, PMFBY. This scheme offers better coverage and financial support than earlier programs, helping small and marginal farmers the most. While more land is being insured, the number of participating farmers hasn't increased as much, suggesting mostly smaller farms are covered. Financially, the scheme has improved, with higher insured sums and premiums, supported by government subsidies that make it more affordable. However, challenges like high premium rates, slow claim settlements, and concerns about long-term sustainability remain. Weather-based crop insurance schemes, WBCIS and WBCIS, have seen ups and downs, with more land insured but fewer farmers joining due to operational issues. Overall, PMFBY has helped make farming more secure, but for lasting success, it's important to make the schemes more efficient, affordable, and farmer-friendly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.